Hey everybody, this is Kevin again, and I'll just show you, I just got my lightning to USB cables in, and I think we'll go ahead and unbox them. Ordered them straight from Apple, apple.com. So we'll go ahead and tear one open. I don't know why I always insist on doing this stuff one-handed, but we'll see if we can get into it one-handed here. I should invest in a tripod maybe. Extra good packaging, I guess. Just, I don't know, warranty information, all that stuff you usually just throw away. This has to be the biggest pain to do. Man, sorry about that. This is the worst unboxing video ever. But you get to take a look at it anyway. There we are. That is the lightning to USB cable unboxing. A little rough, but it works. At least you get to see what it's like. Thanks, and check out some of my other videos that I made for the iPhone 5.